Hello guys, my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to Any Dollars. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about how you can make money on Rumble, and I've made a short video, like a maybe 1 minute video on how I've made a video on how you can create an account on this Rumble, and the video is on my YouTube channel, that is Any Dollars. And today's video, I just want to show you how Rumble you can see. So this is the home, just like a YouTube to this is your watch later, watch history, library, trending, editor picks, browse my field. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. Then if you want to upload your video, you can see upload video, go live, just like YouTube too. And this here is your your profile, and see account option, start and earnings, account overview. So this place where you can know everything that's going on your Rumble accounts. So if I click account overview here, I'm going to drop a video on how you can upload a video to your Rumble account. And so that video I'm just going to upload it to my main channel, that is Samuel Oyemi I Corrected Tech Video. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, go and subscribe to it, because the video is coming out today. It's coming out today how you can upload. So I'm just going to make sure that I upload the video. So you can see now that this account overview. So if you want to cash out your money, you can just cash out, can verify your account. If you want to cash out, this is that place you can cash out. You can see your money, all what you have made. And let me verify my account now. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with this. We could not send a text message to my phone number, and I don't even know what's happened. Okay, let me try another one. Maybe. So if you want to verify your Rumble account, that is place you are going to verify your account. So they can even verify your account for you. Let me try again. So by this way, I don't know what happened that they're unable to verify my Rumble account. But if you want to verify your account, your Rumble account, this way you are going to verify your account with just your phone number. I'm just going to go back. Can see this your earnings, this your active monthly subs. So this way you are going to find anything that's happening about your earnings. And let me go to start and earnings. So you can see ECPM, estimated earnings, select fighters graph, can see charts, exports to. So this way you can find all what like your CPM, how the amount of money you are going to earn from each video that you uploaded. Then this is my content, so no video find matching that criteria. I'm just going to, because I haven't uploaded any video. My channels, can see there's no channels here. I haven't uploaded any video. Can see just option contains custom URL followers name. So this is how you can earn money on the Rumble. You can see then this place where you can create your account on the Rumble, like your payment method on Rumble, how you can receive your earnings. And see now, just type your PayPal email address. So you can upload a photo here. Your social media handles can paste your social media handles are URL in this place. You can see. So this all what can do, you can connect community to your Rumble account. So let me go to the next page, account options. Okay, like streaming, you can see setup new stream. So if you want to live stream, this displays that you can live stream on your Rumble account templates, create templates, static stream key. You can see create new static stream key, no static stream key found. And see this place can earn money through your account. So if you want to know how you can upload a video to your Rumble accounts, follow my video now. So follow me on SAHQ TV. I'm going to see you in that video. Make sure that you subscribe. I'm just going to see you in my next video. Peace.